BigBear.ai stock investors have been getting some great news lately, and the stock price is up over 32% in the last month. So BigBear AI stock is up over 32% in the last month, and this is one of the more volatile stocks in the market today. The company boasts a relatively high beta of over 3.05, which is a measurement of stock price volatility. Investors in this business have to be ready for big stock price movement, and you've seen that in the last month. It's up over 32%. But if I go for the year to date chart, the stock is only up 8%. The stock price was trading at around $10 a share around February, and it's now trading at $4.80. So the discount rate I'm applying to BigBear.ai is a whopping 21%. That's what has the valuation of this stock lower, because when I'm estimating future free cash flow, I'm discounting that free cash flow back to today, because money in the future is worth less to us than money in our pocket today. And the greater the risk with the company, the higher the discount rate. And that goes into the calculation for the capital asset pricing model, which calculates the cost of equity of a business. But I also like to look at valuation on another basis, right? To give me a more comprehensive look at the company's valuation. And one of the valuation metrics I use for BigBear AI is the forward price to sales ratio, or the price to sales ratio. And right now, the stock is trading at a price to sales of 8.8, which is near the higher end of where this stock has traded for, going all the way back to January of 2024. And you can see the volatility even in the valuation on a price to sales basis. Look at those big jumps in volatility and big increases in valuation as investors get enthusiastic about the company and then get pessimistic about the company. It's been one of those companies that's been very up and down, very volatile. It's been one of those stocks that investors have chosen as one of those that they speculate with. So I've had this stock rated as a hold all year long, and I last updated it on May 20th, 2025. And given the recent developments and the increase in valuation and the still very high volatility and riskiness of the business, I'm going to reiterate my hold rating on BigBear AI. It's only for those very high risk tolerant investors that are willing to tolerate these big swings up and down. And it should only be for those types of investors to consider BigBear AI at the current moment.
Click the link below to watch the full video.